Hello my friends. Today I'm going to try to pick for you on camera this Master Lock number 575. Shows it's a removable core, but it really ain't unless you remove that pin, which I haven't found out how to do yet. Here's the bitting on the key. Ain't too bad. There's one deep bit on it, but well, let's show you here. Here's the pick I'll be using. And let's get started. We'll see if I can do this for you here on camera. Show you it's all locked up. And away we go. Get into a false set. There's a false set. The sock does have some security pins, which is why I ain't single pin picking it. It's too hard because it has a security pin back on number 4 and a security pin on number 2. I've actually had the same lock once before and it's so hard single picking, but this one for some reason they put 2 security pins in, and there you go folks. Not too bad, not too shabby. I wasn't really raking. The only time I raked was after I got a false set. I had to rake a little bit over pin number 4 to try to bounce it, so that way I would release the false set and go into a full set. But there it is. Pretty good lock, not too bad. Try to give you a better angle here of the cylinder. Try to give you a little better shot of the bitting on the key. It's a 5 pin, no 6 pin, no 5 pin. Well, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and have a great day.